Hey guys, PMHK here obviously, and as I promised, I have in front of me the iPhone SE 2020. In this video we're gonna do a unboxing, and I'm also gonna give you guys my impressions of this device. Now obviously this form factor of iPhone has already been released before. This has the same form factor as an iPhone 8, but the insides are the ones that actually have changed. So let's unbox, and I'm gonna show you guys what comes inside if you don't know already what comes inside an iPhone box. Now for this guy, you're not going to need a knife to unbox. Just peel that beautiful paper and you check it on the side, and then you open the, oh, actually there isn't much air because normally you tend to struggle to open, but okay, open quite easy. Inside the box you have designed by Apple in California, and then you have the phone there itself. One difference also that you're gonna get on this iPhone SE that the iPhone 8 didn't have is that the front screen for all the models, all the three models that they release, is going to be black. So this is the white version, but the front is black. Previously the white version, the front was also white. So let's put these things on the side. Inside the box you have your power brick, which I'm not going to be taking it out of the box. I really don't need it. You have also your headphone. These are the earpod, and you also have your charger, which I also don't think I need since I have many chargers around the house. So the phone itself, all right, so the phone itself, it's actually also tiny. Wow, I think I'm in love with this white. Look at it, this is beautiful. Look at that white. This is like cloud white or snow white. But this guy is a 4.7-inch smartphone. It comes with an A13 chipset inside, which is the same as the iPhone 11. This is a 3 gig phone. You're also gonna be getting the famous Touch ID, which Apple unfortunately removed. I actually really miss. Unfortunately, I've been using this phone. I think it's been 2 weeks now. I still have to make a video giving you guys my feedback. Stay tuned. Or if you're actually watching this video, which means I already made a video, and you can watch it in this card here. So yeah, I've been using this guy, and you can see also this one also has a Touch ID, but this one is really pretty slow. So you're also gonna be getting wireless charging at the back, wireless charging. The camera behind is a 12 megapixel camera, and the one in front is a 7 megapixel 2.2 aperture. The one at the back is 1.8 aperture. You're also going to be able to take portrait pictures with this phone, which is actually really good. And from the comparisons that I've actually seen from other videos in this video, the camera is actually really quite good. Now let me remove this back paper. Now I'm actually not one to use cases or covers on the phone, but I might just jump into the bandwagon and start using a cover for this phone, because this white back is really beautiful and I'm afraid of scratching. As you can see, they actually don't write iPhone at the back anymore, which is good. It's actually pretty simple. I actually like it like that. And also something that changed, they moved the Apple logo right below. It used to be somewhere here. Now it's in the center. I'm even afraid of putting it on the table straight. I'm gonna put it on top of this thing here, which should also have your Apple stickers, which I actually kind of forgot about it. Apple stickers, I actually haven't really used these Apple stickers anyway. I know people tend to stick them in their cars. I tend not to do that. So let me do the first boot. Hopefully it has juice. First boot, the iPhone is booting now. Let's see. It's actually the iPhone logo and the logo inside and the logo behind. It's actually quite kinda aligned. They both in the center. The one in front actually is a little bit up. So you're gonna be getting the usual. You have your lightning connection here in the bottom. You have your volume rocker up and down. You have the silence trigger there. You have the power button here. You have, as I mentioned, you have the camera at the back. You have the LED flash also for those night pictures. Who's that liking my pictures? Actually, that's a comment. Make sure you guys go and follow me on Instagram. I actually forgot to mute that phone. Yeah, and you have a microphone and you have a speaker in the bottom. So this is Apple's budget phone, which for most of you already know. Here in South Africa, this can actually be considered a mid-tier phone, not a budget phone, because of the price. Now, my first impressions, I really like this form factor, and what I'm actually thinking now, imagine if this phone had the same display or the same screen size as their bigger brothers like the iPhone 11. This form factor, but with a much bigger screen, that would actually be really dope. But first impressions, I'm gonna be loving this size. I'm gonna be using this phone mainly. I'm going to retire this guy to never come back to it. As I mentioned, if you didn't check the video on my impressions of this phone, check that video out. And this is gonna be it for this video. Quick unboxing and impressions of this phone. I like the white, I like the form factor, and with the processing power that this guy has, I'm actually think I'm gonna be enjoying using this phone. I really don't mind the chin and the big bezel that this phone has if it's to have the Touch ID, because I really love Touch ID as compared to the Face ID. So yeah, I'm gonna be putting my stuff that I had on the other phone here. I'm gonna be restoring my backup, and I'm gonna come back to you guys with another video still this week, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you click that notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And I'm gonna catch you guys on my next one. Peace.